It was a pretty peaceful day today, not gonna lie. Today may be a day I can actually enjoy myself and
Quick, after him, big ol'! What in the world is going on? God forbid, fiddlesticks, you let him get away!
who is him?
The maniac ran a stop sign a moment ago, and I have...
A stop sign?
I know, it's horrible, but trust me when I say...
That's not what I meant!
You're freaking out because that car right there ran a stop sign? Well, of course, he broke the law. Maybe he didn't mean to. He was probably just late. Well, better late than never is what I always say. No, you need to calm down and leave that car be. He might have been just rushing to get someplace and didn't have time to stop at a stop. Wait a minute. What? Yes.
Don't forget this!
Get back here! I'm going to find that car, but I have duties elsewhere. Until then...